Hello again. What I got in the post yesterday was one of these ERA 975s, which I picked the Wix 5 lever one. I believe it's just a straight copy of this one, isn't it? But I got this fairly cheap off eBay. So what I thought I'm going to try and do, I've never ever done it, is do a pick out of the packet. I've seen quite a lot of guys. I'm sorry for the weird cam. I'm trying to do it so that everybody can see it. So I'll open this now if I can without moving, and then we'll try and pick it. So I've seen everybody do that, and then obviously keep it in the shot. I'll put that in the vise, and then you can, there's a key, there you go. So it's locked in now. Open. That's all locked. So here we go. This will probably be a complete fail, of course. I just assumed that would stay up there like the other one. So I've got a little tatty elastic band that we'll need to do to hold it up there. Oh, got one there. There we go. Right, so I'm using the same pick that I got for Andy Mac, same tension tool. So here we go. Well, it went round easier, so let's see. Oh, it feels fucking tight. Oh, this swear. Just going up and down, there's not a lot of room in there for the wire. That's very tight. I've got another tension tool. I don't even know if this will catch it, so let's have a look. No, it's missing it. Let's try that in here. The end of this tension tool is quite thin. Bit more room to move, but just slow that forward. Got a slight movement there. Come on, it's the first time I've done it. Even bigger movement. Pushing too hard now. There we go. I really didn't think I was going to get that done when I had to swap the tools over. And just shows you how much room. You can see the difference I've made. This is one I did the end, I turn it that way, and then here's the one that Andy Mac sent me. So obviously his a lot thicker, so I just had to try and pull it back. Anyhow, I'm really glad I managed to do that. Straight out the packet picking. I've never done that before. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers guys.